So here is the rod cap for cylinder number 4. The loose guy. And here's the one piece of the bearing. Second piece of the bearing. There's the back side of the bearing.